Our client services team is primarily located here in our corporate headquarters, but we have additional staff working throughout our locations. This team plays a key role in managing client orders and relationships. When you give an order to your BoxMaker sales representative, they hand that order off to the client services team, who then enters your order into our system, which triggers a chain of events to ultimately produce your order. The client services team becomes the go-to point of contact for order management and works in close tandem with our sales and production teams. Reorders are often placed by clients directly with this team. After sales initiates a new project, that project flows to design. Our award-winning design team operates out of our corporate headquarters just outside of Seattle and our branch office in Portland, Oregon. This team includes 3 structural designers as well as our full-time sample maker, who powers our ability to deliver structural samples to our clients quickly, keeping your project moving forward. Our discovery process sets the BoxMaker apart. Our sales team is trained to ask you many questions up front about each project, and they often come back with even more questions. Their aim is to reduce the number of design revisions needed to deliver your desired outcome. This information is then handed off to our design team in your project's web center. Based upon the information provided to them in Web Center, our design team then ideates and marries client needs to your vision to create a custom design. The design process typically takes 3 to 5 days, but can take up to 2 weeks for complex structures. Simple standards are more immediate and make up 70% of the requests, freeing our design team to primarily focus on more specialized projects. The BoxMaker is material neutral, meaning that we are able to design across a variety of packaging materials, not just those that we manufacture or convert in-house. Following design, a structural sample is created for approval. After approval of the sample, the project can be quoted by our estimating department, and quotes are typically completed within 48 hours. Our estimating team is responsible for building a manufacturing specification, or spec, for each of your manufactured products at the time of quote. This spec tells the production team how to correctly make, pack, and ship your packaging. Many specs include fine details such as pallet requirements and over/underrun information. Most manufactured orders include an overrun or underrun tolerance of up to 10%. The price quote is attached to the spec. Our estimators are experts at determining the cost of a project and often offer suggestions to reduce costs by optimizing for manufacturing efficiency and order quantity. Your sales representative then quotes accordingly. Once you approve your quote, your order is ready to enter production. If your artwork requires pre-press services, it will flow through our graphics department before entering production. Our graphics department receives your artwork and pre-flights it for production. Our graphics manager works with sales, production, and directly with clients to troubleshoot any potential issues with your provided artwork to ensure it is produced to your expectations. The graphics department will leverage their experience and technical knowledge to raise any red flags before the order goes to production and offer suggestions to achieve your desired outcome. Once your packaging graphics are finalized and applied to your die lines, manufacturing is ready to begin. Our corporate services team manages all things finance. In addition to establishing credit terms and invoicing, we are able to provide comprehensive reporting on a regular basis to our clients. Reporting can provide key insights to help you streamline your business, optimize your packaging spend, and determine return on investment. All coworkers at the BoxMaker are focused on the client experience. We keep you at the center of everything we do. Hopefully today's virtual tour will spark many questions about how we can help you solve your business's packaging problems. Send your questions to one of our packaging advisors by emailing us at info@boxmaker.com or reaching out to your dedicated sales representative at any time.